So, hello everyone. My name is Kamil and I am from X1, where I am responsible for e-commerce projects on every phase of delivery. Personally, I have several years of experience in IT in general and especially in e-commerce. And privately, first of all, I am a happy husband and father. And now let's get down to business. Here in this case, I was conducting the family Optic project from the very beginning. And I took part in all the changes that Lucas mentioned before. Lucas came to us with a clear vision of what he wants to achieve. What is the final e-commerce environment that he wants to create? First of the crucial points was the merging of every brand and sales channel into one e-commerce engine. And the second one was to provide a single user experience for every of these sales channels. Together, we went through a deep analysis of every major e-commerce engine, and we came into conclusion that Shopware 6 with PWA solution is the only reasonable choice here. And in fact, Shopware is one of the few e-commerces that offers PWA as a standard with no additional costs. And what exactly is PWA? Nowadays, it's for sure most trendy web technology. And as a result of it, it became a really sexy concept. Everyone wants it. PWA stands for Progressive Web Application. So it's a web application that gives users the feeling of using native mobile app with almost all of its benefits, like access to camera, push notifications, and even the availability to publish the app in app stores. So in other words, it's a front-end application separated from the back-end. Thanks to this, the same data can be used in a completely different way to achieve different goals and to provide various of user experiences. And speaking about user experience, in fact, Family Optic started exactly from there, putting UX and design on the first place, and then adjusting all the technology and the system on the background to the created project. And not the other way around, so it's a common mistake. We, on our part, as technology supporters, we felt calm that every new feature will be available to implement. It was thanks to the decision of using Shopware PWA solution as our front-end application. So, all of that led to the creation of fully custom design with no limitations of standard templates, and of course with many features that were not existing in Shopware in the first place. One of the most challenging modules was the glasses configurator. Myself, I don't wear glasses yet. So it was new for me that you can order one glasses frame with many different glasses lenses inside, with different addition, different sphere, different cylinder, color, and so on and so on. And this process was not supported by e-commerce by default, so we've built a dedicated solution as part of the PWA application that made possible to configure your glasses, to have a final price for the glasses being calculated on fly, and even to add your personal prescription with detailed information about the lenses at the end of the process. And what is most important here is that all the logic behind it is based on a standard shopware mechanisms. It's fully customizable by admin, who can change things like prices, images, copy, options, and even order of the steps, and everything with the usage of standard shopware functions. And how is it possible, you may ask? Well, this is the biggest advantage of API-first approach provided by Shopware, combined with headless architecture of PWA application. Every single data and function existing in Shopware is accessible via the API layer, like products, categories, and even promotion rules. And then PWA application can grab it and process it in every way that you can imagine. Naturally, our road was not completely smooth. It looked more like a rocky path with the things like app security, performance, and even working with Shopware PWA solution itself being the stones that we needed to jump over. And as you can see, we managed. And now we are richer with all the experience of the road. And now let's talk about buying process. It's quite specific for products like glasses. What is the first thing that you do when you buy glasses? Obviously, you try them on. Buying glasses and sunglasses involves two aspects. First one is kind of obvious, it's functionality. And the second one is design. And in some cases, it's even more important, as it's a part of our daily look. And that was a huge question mark here. How to let the customer try on the glasses during online shopping. And in X1, we've done it. We moved the whole process online. And more than that, we unified user experience of this process in every sales channel. And this is what they call the omni-channel approach. And what is the greatest omni-channel challenge? It is to provide a consistent user experience so that all the customer journey across every possible sales channel goes smooth, seamless, like there is no gap between visiting the store to do your optometrical examinations, trying on the glasses, and then finishing your purchase at home. Speaking about the stores, as you can imagine, every store has a limited storing space. There can be like approximately 100 of glasses at a time, when at the same time, the whole online offer counts several thousands of products. You getting the picture now? So, this thought in our head ignited the idea to utilize our PWA application to serve as a virtual mirror in every and each salon across the country. Imagine that you go to the salon for your optometrical examinations. Then you can try on glasses from the all online offer. You can go wild with some interesting models. You can have fun trying them on. Then you pick the ones that you love, and you can easily transfer them to your mobile device just by scanning the QR code. Then you go home. You can finish your purchase at home with the prescription that is already available on your online account. Doesn't it sound awesome? And now let's have a look how it's actually done. Didn't you like it? Well, if you want to... So, if you want to try it in real, you can always come and visit us in Poland. And today, I've shared with you only a small fraction of the most interesting parts from our big adventure with Family Optic. And nobody said it was easy. But it was definitely exciting. And together, we've created something extraordinary here. And now, with all the experience and knowledge, we are certain that choosing Shopware PWA solution in a commercial project of this scale was the best decision that we could make. It is an answer to all the requirements that Lucas brought and more. Apart from benefits like headless architecture, easiness to implement new features, most of all, we achieved undeniable flexibility to adapt to different brands, as well as the possibility to evolve our PWA application to serve in various ways. Just like the virtual mirror, which, by the way, works on your mobile devices as well. And with this in mind, we already feel thrilled thinking about the myriad of possibilities that have opened. And trust me, we have plenty of those. And now, in the end of my presentation, let me tell you a little secret. It's not official yet, so... But right now, we are working on omni-channel subscription model and some kind of Tinderization for a glasses try-on. That was all that I wanted to share with you today, and thanks for your time.